it is a beautiful day and we're gonna go catch my because we promised our friends that we'll catch something for dinner tonight. So this is what...
Hello and welcome back to Sailing the Sloan Star. So right now it's December 2023 and back in January was when I filmed the last video that you guys saw on YouTube, and I don't know what to say. Sorrel and I broke up and it was really difficult for me for a lot of reasons. We had been together for 3 years, we traveled together, we sailed together, we fixed many boats together.
Echoes. Oh look, it has some nice canvas work on it.
Okay, 1 times nav station destroyed.
Oh, the baby!
Shot! Whoa! You took the spotted eagle ray! It's not ideal weather for this.
Say cheese!
Well, you have a leeward life jacket, like even the one inside.
Aubrey, yeah. I need you
Okay, we're dragging really bad. Everyone's dragging. We're going to shore here. We're more worried about that sunken boat right there.
At the moment, just want to get all these lines out of our way.
Squirrel is putting on the snubber. Nice work, Squirrel. Anchor's up. Is that what you're about to say?
More or less.
You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. Does that apply?
You know, it's just a lot of memories and a huge change for me. It was just a really big change, and I don't know that I was fully ready for it. And I don't want to get into the details of why we broke up, but I will say that I was super hurt, super angry, and not really sure what story to tell about what had happened. And he and I made this breakup video that I have not released, and my face is so angry and so sad, and he's explaining that he made a mistake and that he's sad to go and that he hopes you guys still support me. And you know, it's hard breaking up in the public eye. It's hard doing a lot of things in the public eye, but it has also been really amazing to meet you guys, to go to these cruising meetups, to join Parlay Revival, and
Cool. Well, can I see down below?
Did we clean any cabins?
Oh, it's okay.
and all of those people at the boat shows. And it's been really humbling, and I wouldn't change it for anything. But when things get difficult, it's really hard to experience those difficult things with an audience. So now I find myself happily at acceptance. So this video is a heartfelt thank you, and full of gratitude and grace and love for the time that I spent with Sorrel, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I thought I'd make a nice happy montage of the shenanigans, the ups, the downs, the tears, the fear, the joy, all the things that really shaped a really interesting and fun time in my life. Joke about that. Sorrel just said the key is gonna be remembering how it all goes back together. You know what? I think that you just don't appreciate how much faith I have in you.
Okay, what's in the High Life box?
Beer.
We've got 20 some odd duck eggs. And what do you think my success rate's gonna be?
You got 20 eggs?
Yeah.
No, baby.
I don't think they're all gonna hatch.
I think they're pretty cute. They smell so bad. Every time they get out, Sorrel goes, parkour!
Okay. Ew. Frankie, don't even think about it.
I think it might be my best work.
Mom, it looks so good. You ready to go to the monkery?
Oh.
Have you ever been kissed by a monk?
Mom!
I feel like I should have worn gloves. What do I...
And you gotta wash this dog now, and that is gonna stain the marble. It's gonna stain the marble badly. This is an outside thing and you messed up.
Look
Inside this nostril.
at that. You guys both have man buns.
I don't.
Are you a bit camera shy?
New around here, one of them is Rodney.
It wasn't.
Butter noodles, because I'm 5.
Okay, let's go a little bit further forward.
Being a little bit too optimistic.
So the engine is off and you're sailing.
I know that there is a big question floating in the air out there. Is my channel over? The answer is no. I love making videos and I've been doing it for 8 years now, a little over 8 years. And yeah, I'm gonna keep going. There's just actually been a string of events over the past year and a half that have led me to, I hate to admit it, but extreme burnout. And I've been talking to you guys for so many years about not giving up, staying positive, keeping your head high, looking for the good in things. And I was really struggling to take my own advice. So it was just really hard to film. And over the last 18 months, I've only put out a few videos. And that has been weighing heavy on my heart. I love creating YouTube videos. I started back in, I think it was 2014 or 2015, making videos of my sailing and boating adventures with my little kids for my family.
Good.
Okay.
Don't smell like poop.
Smell the door handle. Door handle smell like poop?
No.
That's good.
Smell it. Can I have a hug?
And it was and still is just such a big part of me and something that I love creating. I started to feel so burnt out is that my life on YouTube and my real life weren't in line anymore. So I was trying to keep you guys on the storyline that changed faster than I was willing to share. Some things unfortunately have to change. I'd like to close that chapter, and I really hope that you guys join me for the next chapter. And I really believe in my heart that having my life that you guys see in line with what's really going on with me is going to make it so much more fun and sustainable to create again, because that's what it was. It was just sharing my point of view and having you guys come along with me, and I feel like I lost that along the way. And so I welcome you guys back, and thank you so much for sticking with me. I love you so much. I really hope you enjoy this video, and hopefully I will see you next week. A big thank you to all of my patrons. There have been so many more patrons this last month, and I think a part of that is because I'm starting to share my daily show on the Patreon page. So go check that out. There's links below. I am so thankful to have you guys. Thank you so much for all of your warm, wonderful emails, and those of you that have stuck with me through this very sparse time of posting. I love you guys so much. I really love meeting you guys out here. So please, when you see me, come say hi.
Okay.
Done, Shirley baby.
Cheers, you guys. We got into the water. We sunk a little bit. We recovered.
It's called christening.
The lesser spotted preteen doing dishes.